What's wrong with your voice?
What's wrong with my voice?
Say morning again.
Morning.
Again?
Morning.
Cough.
What are you doing to my voice?
Cough. Now say it.
Morning.
Oh, there we go. Morning. We are on our way to a big chained establishment that we've never been to before. Well, I haven't. Have you been?
No.
There we go. So let's go now.
I see, I like, I go, I did, go, I did, go, I did, go, I did now.
Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky. I go to war, I'll fight. Damn right. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
What's the weather gonna be like? It gonna rain!
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna pour, I can feel it.
Not this time, rain.
We didn't make it far.
Made it just in time though.
Look at that. That was a good decision to come back.
We made the right decision to come back. We were literally walking, we knew it was going to rain, but we thought we'd have half an hour to get there. Felt one drop, which is probably like someone tipping water over me. Felt one little drop, and we was just like, nah, not today. Started pegging it back like as fast as we could. All the locals were running as well. It was just like, ah! And yeah, we made the right decision today. It's meant to rain till like 5 o'clock now, so God knows what we're going to do with today, but look at this rain. I don't even know if that does it any justice whatsoever, but today is an absolute write-off, so we're going to get it. Where we was going, I'll just say, we was going to Dunkin' Donuts just for breakfast, but anyway, that's not going to work. But we might get it delivered
Once the rain stops, because the poor grab driver will have to come out of it.
I don't even think it's going to stop raining though, to be fair, so it might be a case of, I don't know, it's not our problem now, the grab driver's the problem. But looks like we're going to have to amuse ourselves. Hello. 103. Thank you. So, kind of feel bad for getting someone else to bring our food rather than us get it ourselves. But it's raining, it's his job, and a man's got to eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, quick update on the tattoo. It's been about 2 weeks now since I got it done, and it is very much in the process of cracking. I keep losing like big chunks of it in the bed, but I've been like Googling it. I've been keeping it like moisturised as much as I think it needs it, and I've been looking online and stuff like that, and everyone's just saying, look, it's a normal process, it'll look crap for like to start with, and then your skin will grow back a new layer or something, and then that's when like the colours really pop through. So hopefully heals really nice. Oh my God. You idiot. We're going insane.
For now. We want the rain to stop so we can get some food.
Update, it's still raining, so we're trying to like think of something we can do. So we thought, why not try some couples yoga? Sanity is being tested. Still raining, we can't get out of the house, do anything, we've got nothing planned, so we're going to entertain ourselves with some couples yoga.
We're going to have to do it that way so the camera can see.
This way.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
hold my feet. Sell them. Put them down. I need to get my ass on it.
Oh my god. I
Right.
see your lunch.
Oh no, my feet go there.
What?
I need to sit on your feet.
That is not happening. My foot's gonna go up your ass.
Maybe we should put your legs up against something straight. Stop! You're being too
Like you spat on my face. You screw up.
You're being too rude. And then put your feet on here. I don't think that's comfortable, is it?
No, my bum, no.
Stop making me laugh.
Nah. So yeah, like I say, gonna have a couple of these ba-ba-bas, threes, and then probably order another takeaway because
It's been a rainy day.
it's been a rainy day, but we've been inside all day, so we might as well just continue and start again tomorrow, which is probably where I'll pick this back up, because you don't want to see us what we're about to eat. It's disgusting, but okay. And we feel ashamed, but who cares? We're going to have a few beers to,
Take the shame off.
yeah, take away the shame. So we'll see you in the morning. Woo! Morning. We are feeling 50%, but we're on our way to the gym now. As you know, that is our time. You do not come with us. So we'll see you after. And we're getting food.
Good job. So I'm sorry for the confusion. According to Miss Carol, we have a co-teaching for the first 45 minutes. So I
We are literally just on our way out and... Fine. Woo! And literally the heavens have opened, there's lightning, and literally the strikes are the loudest strikes I've ever heard. Like, honestly, it sounds like someone's just dropping bombs on the city. It's crazy. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, I've seen that one. That one was like a proper streak all the way down to the bottom. Yeah. Like, I love lightning. Like, there's always that little, like, you know it's not gonna hit you, but you know it's possible, so it kind of scares you that a little bit. Oh man, it puts like, I don't know, it makes me feel scared every time it goes off. But yeah, obviously grab price is gonna go up now, so we're gonna try get a grab and get out of here. So really sorry about that. My camera died on us while we was out, so I couldn't film anything. But I went for an interview basically and got the job basically. They want me to start on Monday, which is 6 days from now, which will be 12 hours a week, which is absolutely perfect. It's really close by. The staff are amazing. Just one of two of the people who I'll be working with spoke really good English. And the kids were amazing. I did like a little class of 4 and a little class of 5. They were just all really nice kids. They were saying they want me back next week, and I've secured a job. So, woohoo! 12 hours a week as well, so that's pretty decent. we're now gonna celebrate, and I'm gonna have, or me and Boo are gonna have some Hershey's cookies. They're Boo's. I wanted to try these little things like choco pies. I don't know, they look pretty cool. And obviously, ba ba ba, which means 333. So that'll be it for today. And I didn't film anything today, but most of the content was from yesterday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We're just gonna enjoy now, celebrate, have a few drinks, order a takeaway, and then I'll probably edit this video tomorrow, and then you'll be seeing it on Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. If you're not new and not subscribed, subscribe, like the video, whatever. Bye.
I see